today is a very exciting day because I am in this beautiful city of Mussoorie, which is the Queen of Hills. Yesterday I reached here. It is around 75 kilometers from Rishikesh and there is no direct bus. You have to take a shared taxi or a bus from Dehradun. So I reached in the evening and I checked in a hotel. I'm staying somewhere in Mall Road, and today we are going to explore a lot of beautiful places over here. The weather is very pleasant, not too chilly in the morning. And if you like the vlog, do not forget to hit that like button. Also, if you are watching me or my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe as I make more videos for you guys. So let's get started with the trip.
지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까 Baby 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어
So guys, right now we are heading towards Bhatta Fall. Like here there is a trick in Mussoorie. Either you can come in your private vehicle. If you don't have your private vehicle, you can hire a two-wheeler. If you are not comfortable driving a two-wheeler, the last option is to hire a taxi, and you can get a taxi from the taxi union. They have a special, like a union or special place where you have to go and book a taxi. They will give you a coupon, and there are different packages. You have to choose one package and only. And if you want to cover places of your own choice, then you will have to come in your own private vehicle or hire a two-wheeler, as I mentioned. So right now I'm headed towards the Bhatta Fall. I haven't eaten anything from the morning right now. I'm very hungry. I have picked up some junk food like chips and vagera, which I'm going to have in the car. And let's go to Bhatta Falls right now. So guys, you can see this is the ropeway to Bhatta Fall. This is the longest ropeway in Mussoorie. This Bhatta Fall is down below, so you have to take this ropeway. My friend has gone to take the ticket, and this is the view here. The view is lovely, the weather is beautiful, and I can't wait to go and see them. That is the ropeway that we have to go through, and I cannot wait to go down. I still cannot hear or see the falls, so it is quite down below. That's why you have to take the ropeway, and the price for one is around 200. And yeah, and this is the view that you can enjoy. You can click some pictures here. The cars are parked over there, and yeah, you have to go down this stairs, and then you can like go down to the ropeway. This is a nice cafe over here, and this is the view. People are taking pictures. There are some statues made like this, and you can see this. Guys, this is the famous Bhatta Falls, which you can see somewhere, and you can hear the sound of the river, like not the river, the waterfall. Honestly, it is not as good as I expected it to be. This seems very ordinary, to be honest. I have seen much better waterfalls, and the fact that you have to pay 200 for a ropeway to come here is weird. But there are a lot of other attractions, but this is the main falls. I'm going to spend some time here, sit by the lake, maybe do some boating, I'm not sure. But first, I'm very hungry, so I'm going to have this yummy yummy corn and like just enjoy the weather and the view of the lake. So guys, you have to go down these steps to reach the lake. I can hear the sound of the water, but yeah, basically you have to like I can see the lake over there if you can see. So you have to go down there to reach the lake, and there is also boating. The entry fee to enter the Mussoorie Lake is 12 rupees per adult. So guys, this is the zip lining point inside the Mussoorie Lake. You can do this also if you want the longest and the fastest zip line as they claim, which I don't know. But yeah, this is the line. I'm not doing it. I'm just going for enjoying the peace of the lake. And so guys, this is the famous Mussoorie Lake. As you can see, there are many people who are boating here, but almost it looks like a swimming pool considering the size. And also you can see there are other attractions like haunted house, and there are so many stores which are selling so many things. I'm planning to have an ice cream here because it's a little sunny and like it's in the afternoon, so maybe I can have an ice cream. And there is also a zip lining that I saw, but let's see if I want to do that or not. So guys, the price for boating in Mussoorie Lake is around 30 rupees per person. That is for and honestly this is the size of the lake that I showed you guys. It is so small, it looks like a swimming pool. And the main attractions over here is obviously boating if you're interested in that. I am not. I'm only interested in food here. So I'm enjoying my ice cream, enjoying the view. And honestly there are a lot of, like, it is very commercialized. There are a lot of other options like haunted house and zip lining, but yeah, that's all that it has to offer. So guys, I was headed towards Landor. It's Landor Bakehouse, which is the most famous bakery in Mussoorie, for my lunch, and that's when my car broke down and now I'm stuck in the middle of the road. The driver is trying to fix it. I don't know what to do, and thankfully the network is coming here, so maybe I can ask somebody for help. Fingers crossed, hopefully the car will start working and I'll reach my destination and complete the trip properly. See the traffic block, it has taken place here. That's because this has happened to our car. The car suddenly stopped working and I'm stuck here with this beautiful view. I'm quite enjoying this view, but I don't know what happened to the car and how I will go. The police has also come. I'm walking towards Landor Bakery. It is near Char Dukan, around 700 meters. So I'm walking as my car has broke down. Let's see if I can find a place there or not. So guys, just look at how foggy it has become as the day is progressing and we are going towards evening. Currently it is around 3 p.m. and just look at the condition. Like, it is so foggy, you can't even see anything, like anything, and I am loving this. Ivy, which is very famous and very near to the chaat dukan. So I walked till here, but there is no place available. They have a waiting of 1 hour, so I'm looking for some other place to have my food. Guys, I have finally reached Landor Bakehouse, the most famous bakery in Mussoorie. I am going to take something from there, sure, but look at the crowd over there. Oh god, I had to stand in the queue. Let's see what I can get. So guys, this is the inside of the Landor Bakery, and you can see most of the items are sold out because of the rush, but I have already placed my order. Yes. So guys, finally I'm inside Landor Bakery, and this is the view from here. I'll show you. This is like the inside of the cafe, and this is the view. I'm sitting right next to the. So guys, that is my first item that I have ordered here. This is a coffee walnut cake, and I have ordered a lot of other things also. I have taken parcel of choco chip cookies, and my total bill was around 600. That is for one, like 2 cakes, 1 brownie, 1 cookie. Like 1 cookie means like around 200 grams. And honestly, I don't know why I feel like their service is very slow, but the view is worth it and I like the vibe. It is a very English bakery kind of a... Guys, One thing I wanted to tell you, I just digged into the chocolate cake, and this is a must try. This is like the best chocolate cake of my entire life. I'm not kidding. This is worth the wait and everything. So guys, this is the Lal Tibba point, which is a viewpoint. So this is the view. You have to go there right at the top, take the ticket, stand in the queue, and then you can see the view. But now it is very foggy, as you can see, and it is almost around 5:30 or something. So I'm not planning to go there and waste my time. I'm just going to sit here, click a few pictures, and then go to back to Mall Road to do some shopping. So that's the plan. But this is a good viewpoint, especially if you're coming with a clear like when there's clear sky, then it is a good point. You can sit also there and chill for some time. Mall Road, I'm walking here right now. It is a little empty like compared to in the evening. That's because in the evening it is super crowded, so that's why I'm showing you before how it looks. So many shops are there, the best place to shop here. And honestly, you can't do much bargaining here. The prices are like not too cheap and also not too expensive, so you can find anything and everything like within your budget. And it is pretty cold right now, and रात को temperature और घटने वाला है. It is like definitely around 10 degrees now, and it is only 5 o'clock now. Mall Road, you can see the crowd, and look at this cutie. So this is one shop that I'm targeting, the boot shop. Otherwise, I'm just walking casually, checking out the shops and just chilling in this chilly weather. The temperature is around 5 right now.
And I had some of the best jalebis of my life here, completely made in hot ghee, and I loved it.
Guys, this is the beauty of heels. Look at those tiny lights at the night. I really like it. So yeah, I'm just exploring the...
हमारी दुकान बेटा 103 साल से है. दुनिया में जितने टीवी चैनल सब कवर करते हैं हम, जैसे फेसबुक, यूट्यूब, ट्विटर, गूगल. हिंदुस्तान में जितने टीवी चैनल, जितने फूड चैनल, आईवी मार्केट, फूड, खाना खजाना, देश का स्वाद, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिया टुडे, रोटी रास्ता इंडिया, वर्ल्ड में डिस्कवरी, लोनली प्लानट, TLC, ट्रिप एडवाइस, BBC, जोमेटो. दुनिया में जितने टीवी चैनल सब हमें कवर करता है. तीन दिन हम बच्चों के लिए भी करते हैं. सब बच्चे जिस पे पैसे वो खाए, जिस पे नहीं वो फ्री खाए.
Okay. Point. This is the famous omelette center in Mall Road. It is very famous, always sold out. So I at 8:30 in the morning and Veda is making my omelette, cheese omelette. If you are in Mussoorie and you are in Mall Road, this is the one stop place that you should definitely come, and come early in the morning, otherwise it's completely sold out. And after this I am heading towards Camelback Road for morning. Guys, this is my omelette, the cheese omelette. It looks delicious. It is for 90 rupees one plate. Yeah, it is for 90 rupees for one plate, and I'm going to dig right in. It looks yummy. So guys, I'm headed towards Camelback. That mountain that you can see, that is called the Camel's Back because it looks like the shape of the mountain is like the Camel's Back. So we have to climb. It's around 5 minutes walk from here, and look at this beautiful view. More than the point, the entire journey is beautiful, and if you come here early morning, the view will be worth it.
Baby, 지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까? Baby, 네 눈을 보.
So guys, that's it for my Mussoorie trip and for this vlog. Mussoorie is a very beautiful, cute little hill station that you can visit over the weekend for 2 days or so. The weather is very pleasant here. At night the temperature can fall. Overall, I had a great stay here. The people are very warm and welcoming, and if you are visiting it during the not so peak season, you can get great like deals, like at very discounted prices. Overall, you should definitely visit it. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.